Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Hope you all had a lovely Christmas. It's hard to believe that 2024 is over. This has to be the fastest one ever, and let's hope that 2025 is a great one for all of us and that we get lots of cooking and baking done as well. Before I start, I received a present from Sharon Darcy. She made this apron, sewed it, all handmade. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And look, it's even got Scrummy wrote on the front. She just wanted to say thank you. I've helped her to do some baking, something that she didn't think she could ever do. So that's lovely to hear. And it's such a kind thing to do. And I just want to say thank you very much, Sharon Darcy. And I hope you continue baking and cooking with me in 2025. So let's get started. I'm making a cheesecake today. We've all got lots of chocolate left over. I've got some Toblerone. This is a white chocolate one, but you can use any Toblerone in this cheesecake. I've also got these mini ones too, and I'm going to use them as well. This is a real simple cheesecake. I'm going to start with a digestive biscuit base, and I've crumbed my biscuits in the food processor. You can put them in a bag and break them with a glass or a rolling pin either. So into here I'm going to add in some melted butter. Mix that in. I'm happy with that now. Let's get it into the tin. And this tin is an 8-inch springform tin. It's got a removable bottom. I love these for cheesecakes. And what I do is I just flip the bottom around the other way so you've got a nice even edge there. You don't have that ridge that makes it difficult to get your cheesecake out of the tin. So let's get that in there. I do have a video on how to remove a cheesecake from a tin if you want to check that one out. It's got some nice easy tips there. And I'll pop a link to that in the comments down below. It's a really quick video. So get the biscuit base in there and smooth the top with the back of a spoon. Press it down like that. That looks great now, so we can get this into the fridge for about 30 minutes. We're ready for the next stage now to make our cheesecake filling. In here I've got full fat cream cheese. I use Aldi or Tesco cream cheese and they work perfect. So place them into a bowl, and into here I'm going to add in icing sugar. You can use a mix of cream cheese and mascarpone cheese either. I do that as well at times. Just make sure all your cream cheese is full fat. I'm going to mix this now until it's nice and smooth. And I'm happy with that. Into here I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract and my melted Toblerone. So I'm going to get that in there. Just make sure it's nice and cool. I add it at this stage because there's less chance of the mixture splitting if you add it before the cream. I'm going to mix this now together. I'm going to add in the double cream now. You can whip the double cream separately until it's nice and thick and fold it in if you prefer. So I'm going to mix this in now till it's nice and thick, but we don't want to over mix it either. My mixture is nice and thick now, and by adding the melted chocolate it does thicken a lot quicker, so just be careful whipping in the cream because you don't want the mixture to split. All that's left to be done now is to add in some chopped Toblerone. I'm using dark, white and milk chocolate, some of the mini Toblerones I have. And this is entirely optional, you don't have to add this if you don't want to. So I'm going to fold that in. You can see how nice and thick that mixture is. That's ready now to get it into the tin. I have my biscuit base here and I'm going to get this into there. Just press it down like that and just flatten the top. Try and get it nice and smooth. If you've got a palette knife like this, it's just a flat knife. It helps to smooth the top and level it. That's it, all done. How easy was that? Now we're going to get this into the fridge for 6 to 7 hours or overnight, whichever you prefer. Here we have it. Cheesecake is fully set and it's set really well. All that's left to be done now is for us to decorate it with some freshly whipped cream. I'm going to pipe some rosettes on it. So we'll go for 12 rosettes. And this is my last one. I've got these lovely little mini Toblerones here, so I'm going to pop some of these on it. This is a really nice cheesecake. If you fancy something a little bit different, you could swap out the Toblerone for Maltesers. Just melt the Maltesers, or you can even just chop them up and put them into the filling. And sprinkle some chopped Toblerone in the centre. And there you have it, my Toblerone cheesecake. Doesn't it look amazing? Now let's cut a slice, and the best way to cut a slice is to use a sharp knife. I dip it in hot water, dry it, and then I cut a slice, and I do that for every slice. And you get a perfect slice of cheesecake. Just look how nice that is, a gorgeous digestive base and a beautiful Toblerone filling with dark white and milk chocolate. Gorgeous. It's set really well. That's what I love about my cheesecake recipes. I never have a problem getting them to set. All that's left to be done now is to taste it. Oh wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. I can taste those little bits of chocolate, the white, the dark, and the milk Toblerones mixed into that creamy Toblerone filling. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy baking everyone, and see you all soon.